high-voltage direct current cables are an essential solution for long-distance electrical power transmission. They assure minimal losses, enabling decarbonization and climate neutrality in accordance with the European Green Deal. Extruded HVDC cables with thermoplastic polypropylene-based insulation represents a new generation of HVDC cables, offering several benefits over conventional cables. The material is lightweight, fully recyclable, and simpler to manufacture. These qualities, combined with an easier installation process, results in a lower overall price. However, expanding their utilization to higher power transmission and ensuring reliable operation over the expected lifetime still requires technological innovations. The reliability of the HVDC cables is crucial for the resilience of the whole transmission grid and to foster the integration of remote renewables into the grid.
NEWGEN aims to develop and demonstrate new HVDC cable technologies, condition monitoring and grid simulation tools. They will be used for the next generation European transmission grids.
NEWGEN is gathering a multidisciplinary consortium composed of 10 partners from 5 different European countries. The consortium has 4 industrial partners, 2 small and medium-sized enterprises, 1 research and technology organization, and 3 universities. NEWGEN innovates for online condition monitoring and reliability modeling of HVDC cable systems. This will allow European operators to monitor and proactively maintain their HVDC cable systems. The uniqueness of the NEWGEN project is that its results will impact the whole European HVDC cable industry for reaching the next generation level. Stay tuned on the NEWGEN project.